anyone there? Okay, I'm gonna hang up.
Hi, this is Rasputia.
Hi, Rasputia.
I'm calling on behalf of the Cats Incorporated. I was wondering if you can answer a couple questions.
I guess.
Okay, first question. Do you own any cats?
No.
Would you feel comfortable with a cat in your household?
I guess I wouldn't mind.
Would you be interested in pursuing a career in cats?
What do you mean?
Like, you can be our official cat chick or something.
Well, what type of responsibilities does this cat chick have?
Actually,
What are you wearing right now?
What did you just say?
the responsibilities of cat chick would be to save the world. That's what I said. Yeah.
Interesting. I'm listening.
He's basically a superhero.
What kind of underwear are you wearing?
Hey, what?
Are you gonna be cat chick or not, silly?
Well, sure.
Okay, you'll be receiving your uniform in the mail promptly.
It's a thong.
It's a what?
It'll be there promptly, like, soon.
Okay. I guess I'll talk to you later.
I love you.
What?